Ethical crossroads, right or wrong?
The prospect of soul transfer opens up a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas. If we could live on in a new body, would we want to? And who gets to decide?
The implications for issues like death, identity, and even the meaning of life are staggering. Imagine a world where death is no longer inevitable, where people could potentially live forever by transferring their consciousness into new bodies.
What would it mean for our understanding of life and death if we could simply upload our consciousness to the cloud? How would we grapple with the issue of identity if our souls could be duplicated or even manipulated?
These are not just philosophical questions, but practical concerns that we need to address before this technology becomes a reality. The ethical implications of soul transfer are complex and far-reaching, demanding careful consideration and open dialogue.
The future, a world transformed?
The possibility of soul transfer through AI has the potential to revolutionize our world in unimaginable ways. Imagine a future where we could explore the universe in new synthetic bodies, free from the limitations of our current forms.
Imagine a world where debilitating diseases and disabilities could be overcome by transferring consciousness into healthy bodies. The possibilities are both exhilarating and terrifying.
However, this technology also raises concerns about social equity and access. Would everyone have equal access to this technology? Or would it create a new divide between the haves and have-nots, those who can afford to extend their lives and those who cannot?
These are critical questions that we must address as we stand at the cusp of this technological revolution.
As we venture further into the uncharted territory of AI and consciousness, we must proceed with caution, open minds, and a deep sense of responsibility. The potential benefits of soul transfer are immense, offering the possibility of overcoming our physical limitations and extending life itself. But the ethical implications are equally profound, demanding careful consideration and a global conversation about the kind of future we want to create. One thing is certain, the journey ahead will challenge our understanding of life, death, and what it means to be human. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, one question echoes in our minds. Are we ready?